Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video. No. Why my girl? What are your secret in that door? It not look pretty for you at all.
In the name of Jesus, cast off.
This go on when pastor just come out of lockdown and want the little exercise. Then thing happen. Now that a real dust out. Watch how the people them react.
Run. Run.
Talking about other folk and start practicing getting your shit, getting your stuff together. Y'all need to.
Poor church sister, still I wonder if she here right while ago.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Me agree. Him no look like him come from around here.
University College, where we have an exterminator.
You see, when you love show off for people see you, them something are the reward.
Next one. Next test.
Wait for it.
You see, if you ask your wife to come and do something, and she doesn't come the first fucking time you call, well, that's when you do it yourself. You do it yourself. That's when you have to do it yourself, because she's obviously busy. I'm doing it myself.
So we know who wear the pants in that the house there. Boy, you have to keep quiet.
I'm good, money, fast, nigga.
Take in him face. Him definitely want some other magic there.
Wow! Bakit lumaki yun? Try natin. Huh? Lay. Hindi Japon. Hindi Japon. Highly alright. He's on the
7 plus 3. 10. 6 plus 4. 10. 8 plus 2. 10.
I really 10 boss this started.
Much big 2 I have? 10.
So how old are you now?
Not two.
2-year-old? A 2-year-old?
Yes. And I think I'm about there too.
Yeah, birthday too? Okay. How much money you have?
One penny.
Okay. So you find a new boyfriend it? For how long? When you get the daughter, you find a new boyfriend?
No.
No, man, you must have to go, man, you go check, man.
But